Hello, and welcome to another update video on SUI. Yeah, SUI has reacted a few days ago here to this support zone, which we can now remove. So maybe we'll remove from the chart together what we don't need. First of all, at the moment we are holding above all support levels. Yeah, good response to the larger support box around the 22nd of June. I would like to keep this one on the chart because honestly, it can still be possible that we are still working on a wider flat correction in this wave 2 correction here. But for now, as long as we're holding above all micro support levels, yeah, the focus is on higher prices. And the prices, by the way, also reached now that next target that you know about already if you watched previous videos, which is here, the 138% extension. I'm going to talk about that in a minute, but we don't need the red line anymore. We don't need our breakout line anymore. We don't need this support zone. It's done its job. So we can remove all that and we just focus on what we really need. So let us talk a little bit about the structure here that developed from the June low. First of all, we had a nice rally, which I labeled wave 1 in the yellow count, which is part of a diagonal structure, best I can tell at least. Yeah. So wave 1 in 3 waves, wave 2 in 3 waves. And then this here looks like a 3-wave move up as well. So my assumption was that this was an A wave, right? An A wave of wave 3. And then, by the way, to calculate the target for circle wave 3, what did we do? And we're there now, right? Or nearly there. We took the length of the wave 1 and we projected the length of the third wave based on the length of the wave 1. So we know that a third wave should get to the 138% extension of the wave 1. And that's at 355, that level. I mean, that's the first ideal target, not a maximum, you know, not a minimum, not a maximum. It's just the first ideal target, really. So price is on its way to that level. It doesn't look like that circle wave 3 is complete, however. So I'm going to zoom in a minute. But yeah, please note wave 1, wave 2, A, B, C, and wave A of 3. This was likely wave B, a bit short, but possible. And now we are in the C wave of the third wave. So the C wave itself should be a 5-wave pattern, right? At the moment, I can only see 3 waves. So I assume this is a wave 1, a wave 2, the third wave of the C wave. And all we need to do now is adjust support slightly. Move this maybe a little to the right. And then you can see that actually wave C of circle wave 3 should see another so-called 4-5 pattern, another higher low and another higher high. So it might very well be that circle wave 3 reaches this area between $3.76 and $3.91 before then circle wave 4 starts, and then we can see circle wave 5 still go higher. This is the smaller time frame. Yeah, next resistance around $3.55. Micro support should be clear. Target for circle wave 3, I'd say I would rather set it a little higher, given that we've already nearly reached the first target. Yeah. Now, let us also take a look at the bigger picture, because some of you might not know what's going on with SUI. So the SUI chart here, what we're basically tracking on that smaller time frame is whether the bulls can drive the price higher, get 5 waves completed, which would be wave 1 of a larger degree third wave. Okay. So what we've just seen was just this here. So if we can get 5 waves that I showed you on the smaller time frame, how they would look like, then this would likely be wave 1 of an even larger third wave that might take us to $10. Then there should be a wave 2 and we can go higher like that. But this is the larger time frame. We first need to see if the bulls can really form all 5 waves. But we had a good reaction to our support area there for this wave 2. So no change there. And the next resistances here structurally are at around $3.59 and then $4.30. So that's the update on SUI. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.